Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday. I'm back at Aldi. I have a week of groceries to get to feed my family. It's actually my husband's birthday week, and that means he gets to pick where we go out to eat on Friday, his birthday. And then we're also going to his parents' for a birthday dinner, and then we're also going to his best friend's house for dinner with following day on Saturday. So 3 days this week I don't have to make dinner, and I'm pretty excited about it. So let's see what I'm getting for the other 4 days, and we'll get into the store, get them, and don't forget my meal plan will be at the end, and any recipe I use will be linked below. Let's go. Okay, we're having pasta this week. Pretty standard in our house. I'm gonna get this garlic bread $1 off, so it'll be $1.89. We are having quesadillas, and I'm gonna get some chips, not only for the quesadillas, but for my son's lunch, $1.85. And also with my son's lunch, I'm running low on this salsa con queso. He loves this stuff, $1.99. $1.29 for bread for toast. And then brioche buns, a 6-count. My husband's making Nashville hot chicken sandwiches tonight, and he wants these, $3.99. We are also having hot dogs later this week, $1.29 for the buns. I buy Hebrew National hot dogs at Costco, and we are stocked up. Pumpkins are back. I'm gonna have to bring my kids to the Aldi pumpkin patch, $3.49. They have some really nice size ones too. My mother-in-law is making chicken shawarmas for my husband's birthday dinner, and I am making roasted cauliflower as a side to take, $2.29. I'm just getting a few bananas, 41 cents a pound. Brussels sprouts, $2.59. I'm gonna roast these for a dinner. Mangoes, they were gone last week, and my daughter was very sad, so I'm getting a couple of them. I always like to cut these up on our taco-y or burrito or quesadilla nights. 89 cents a piece. I'm getting 2. I'm getting kiwis. These will be good for the kids' lunches, and also just to dice for dinners, $3.99. Cilantro quesadilla meal, 85 cents. Easy lunch edition, $1.95 for these grapes. Sugar snap piece, $2.39 for lunches. $1.69 for carrots. My girls are on a hummus kick again. They used to eat hummus a lot. I don't know if you remember, I'd buy 1 or 2 a week. Then they got sick of it, but I'm gonna try to get them to start making it. We'll see what they think of that, but 78 cents a can. I'm getting beefsteak tomatoes for $1.89 to slice these for the chicken sandwiches. And my vegetarians don't make chicken sandwiches, of course, but they do make a sandwich just without the meat. It's funny, I needed both these dressings. I don't think this one is $2.89 or $2.49, I'm not sure, but my younger daughter, oh no, okay. Italian is $2.19 and the Chipotle Ranch is $2.49, but each of my daughters likes one of these. I need pickle slices for the sandwiches. I think that'll be enough. Giant jars, they've changed them, and they're $2.35. So my kids are changing their lunches, the girls, to pita chips, hummus, and vegetables. So $2.89 to dip in the hummus, some pita chips. These are so good. All the gears really picked over, which is fine. I didn't need any. And on Instagram, I shared that I came here with my son, and he really wanted one of these, and I came back and I bought it for him for Christmas. So we have a lot of Halloween decorations. We don't need it, but he will love opening it, thinking that he didn't get it. And next Halloween, he'll have it. Lots of items here for the kitchen. Cast iron. Having a rice cooker is one of my favorite kitchen hacks. It makes a side so simple. It cooks it really easily. They have meal prep containers, small and larger Dutch ovens. We didn't get the bread Dutch oven here, or at least it's gone. But lots of pretty items. Mini cast iron. I like these soup mugs too. Decorative wall shelf, that's really cute. If my girls were younger, I think that'd look really cute in their room. Different sheet sets, really cute. Only $9.99 for twin or full, which is honestly a really good value. And they have matching quilts for $19.99. Side table, mirrors, lots of cute kid stuff. I think getting ready for gifting season. I think that is so adorable. If my kids are small, I think that'd be in my cart. Oh, I love this pegboard office. That would be so cute. I don't have a space for it right now, but I do love that. I feel tempted and I have no need, no place to put it, but I love it. I think that's what the Aldi Finds aisle does too. Mag tiles. We have so many of these. It's a wonderful gift. If you're looking for a gift for a kid, my recommendation. Dresses, stuff that we've seen for a while. And a rolling art cart. Okay, I'm gonna give this a try. My daughter takes a 24-hour allergy pill. I've never bought it from Aldi, but I'm gonna give it a whirl. $6.99. It's a really good price. We normally buy the Equate brand, very similar price, but this would be much more convenient. Speaking of my daughter, she told me she's low on night cream. She loves this stuff just like I do. $3.79. If you missed my short, all of our Aldi brand sunscreen is on clearance for $1.49. The funny thing is it's not called out as on clearance, but it doesn't expire until like 2026. So I think that's really impressive. And while I'm down here, I need pads, $3.49. We love these. I'm so glad to see them in stock again. My husband asked me to get vegetable oil to fry his chicken breasts in, $3.65. We have some open tortillas, but I think we'll probably need more. $1.95, we'll use these for quesadillas. $1.19 for crushed red pepper. I just ran out. We love this stuff. I am grabbing 3 of these. The only 3 I see. They're 89 cents a piece. I love these while I'm fasting. Wait, my counting was off. There were 4 of them. I'm grabbing 4. Okay, so they have all the German desserts still out, and you guys, I ate one of my cherry tarts and it was just as good as I remember, but maybe I sang, oh, there's still some over there. I honestly think if I find cherry, I'm gonna grab a few more because I want them whenever I want them. I want to just have them in the freezer. They're so simple and it's a $4 dessert. They have these strudels, a lot of the you guys, I don't speak German, you know that. I don't know what these are, but they look good. Thai style meals, skillets, pretzel bites. I'm gonna see if there are any cheddar left. Should have grabbed some cheddar while I saw them last week. My husband wouldn't. Oh, okay, never mind. I was gonna grab cheddar for my husband, but they are out of those. They're only $2.99. They have cheese-filled breadsticks, garlic knots, different odd pizzas, buffalo-style chicken. Ooh, colorful cauliflower and colorful carrots. Really pretty looking. Meatloaf, spitzel, chicken momos and vegetable momos. I don't know what that is, but they look good to me. From like a Nepal recipe. Yummy. So you can get 2 servings. I'm gonna get these for myself. They sound really good. It looks like you maybe pan fry them or steam them. Oh wait, they're expensive. Never mind. I will still get them. $6.49. Those look pretty good. I've never had food from Nepal, so I look forward to trying that. A bunch of pork schnitzel and chicken schnitzel. I loved the chicken and the pork schnitzel, but I'm the only one. Butter chicken. You guys know I love to make that homemade. Tenders, $9.49. Wow, that looks like a really good deal. If I knew my family would eat these well, but my kids especially can be kind of a turd. You know what, I'm actually gonna get this and try it because in a pinch it could come in handy sometimes. $9.49. Put it in my deep freezer. Shrimp trios. They have the different vegetable and potato mixes still, the German pretzels, and turkey breast. Soon this will be holiday meats. Okay, so I'm gonna get the pine nut hummus and I'm gonna get a significantly spicy. They're $2.49 a piece. I need these to work interference while I teach my girls to make hummus. I'm grabbing 2 of these. My kids love this stuff. I know I've said that a million times. I love how fine it is. It's great in quesadillas. $2.89 a piece. Okay, I'm not grabbing this, but it looks so good. Fried pickle and ranch dip, yummy. That's $3.98. They have these different fettuccine noodles, pumpkin spice cold foam, $4.49. Everything bagel dip, yum. Some pretty yummy looking fun things over here. Okay, wait, I wasn't gonna grab anything over here, but I'm gonna get this, $1.99. I love these. Just don't tell anyone. Potato puffs for hot dogs next weekend, $2.99. I'm gonna get this wine to take to my in-laws' house for my husband's birthday, $3.99. My favorite, such a good value. Oh, more Aldi German items have shown up. They have a lot of the soups. The lentil soup is pretty good. They have Spätzle packs, these peanut puffs, which if you've never had these, they're not bad, but I expected them to be sweet. They're not sweet. Different breads, nuts. I love these cookies. I'm not gonna get them because I don't need them, but they're so good. The coconut spritz ones, wafer rolls, different coffees, lots of fun items. Sparkling apple cider, cotton candy, grape soda. Lots of interesting things. Artisan rugs. Our Aldi Finds food aisle is chock full of different cookies, different muffins, more cookies, more cookies. This cinnamon swirl cake looks pretty good, 8 pieces for $4.29. Apple and pumpkin pecan cookies. I'm resisting, but it's all here. They also have ramen and pho noodles that look pretty good. Gyro tzatziki seasoning mixes. Lots of yummies over here. Okay, so my kids really like these, but pumpkin spice is not nearly as good as caramel apple, they said, and I didn't get maple. Okay, so here is my cart. Any guess on the total? Okay, my total is $107.35. Got it all packaged. Let's go home and see the meal plan. Okay, I got this steak. I tried it last week and I really liked it. It's already seasoned. It's fajita seasoning, but I just air fry it and it's so good. So I got almost a pound at $9.33. Okay, and my husband needs buttermilk for frying the chicken today, $2.78. Had to go to Walmart for that. They don't sell it at Aldi. Okay, I came here for 2 items, but these caught my eye and I think they look really good. I love Apple Jacks, and with the marshmallows, I couldn't resist. $4.98. Okay, my total is $17.09 from Walmart. Okay, so our menu for this week, my husband's making Nashville hot chicken sandwiches. We're gonna have those potato wedges I bought a few weeks ago. We still haven't ate them yet. I have pumpkin ravioli I got at Trader Joe's last week, and then I'm also gonna make some farfalle pasta and Alfredo sauce. We'll have Brussels sprouts and steak. I'm gonna get that from Walmart. We're having quesadillas. This is a really quick dinner I can throw together before my daughter's volleyball game. We're going to my husband's parents for his birthday, and I'm bringing cauliflower there. They're making chicken shawarmas. My husband gets to pick what he wants for his birthday dinner out to eat. Not sure what that's gonna be. Saturday, we're going to a friend's house. I'm making snickerdoodle cookie bars to take to their house. And then Sunday, we're having hot dogs and tater tots. We'll have salads available and fruit for all the meals. My mother-in-law is making chicken shawarmas, and if you want to see how we make that meal here at our house as well, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.